Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftBrox. Today, we're talking about something that's been making waves in the AI world, DeepSeek. If you've been following AI trends, you've probably heard of ChatGPT. But DeepSeek, it's the new player in town, and it's already outperforming ChatGPT in ways that are hard to ignore. So, what is DeepSeek? It's a revolutionary AI model developed by a Chinese company, and what makes it stand out is that it's open source, meaning anyone can use it for free. But here's the real kicker. DeepSeek has outperformed ChatGPT's most advanced model, ChatGPT-o1, in almost every benchmark. And it did this with fewer resources. Let's put it into perspective. ChatGPT-o1 was trained with $196 million and 4,000 employees. DeepSeek was trained with just $5.6 million and 200 employees. That's right, DeepSeek is faster, more accurate, and way more cost-effective. Now, why is DeepSeek such a big deal? First, it's open source, so you can run it on your own computer. No need to rely on big companies like OpenAI anymore. Second, it uses real-time processing. Unlike ChatGPT, which uses outdated data, DeepSeek fetches real-time information from the internet, making it incredibly accurate and up-to-date. Third, it's transparent. DeepSeek shows its entire reasoning process. For example, if you ask it to design a t-shirt, it'll explain every step before giving you the final design. And finally, it offers monetization freedom. You can use DeepSeek for commercial purposes without any restrictions, opening up endless opportunities for creators and businesses. Now, let's compare DeepSeek and ChatGPT head-to-head. When it comes to accuracy, ChatGPT-o1 has 99.1% accuracy, while DeepSeek R1 has 99.4%. When it comes to cost, ChatGPT-o1 costs $200 per month, but DeepSeek R1 is completely free and open source. And when it comes to performance, DeepSeek beats ChatGPT 90% of the time in benchmarks, despite using older hardware due to US restrictions on China. This has caused a major stir in the AI world, with stock prices of AI companies dropping as investors realize the monopoly is over. Now, you might be wondering, who's at risk because of DeepSeek? Well, DeepSeek is so powerful that it's already replacing certain jobs. For example, researchers. DeepSeek can generate 40 video topic ideas in just 15 minutes, with 35 of them being usable. And then there are programmers. DeepSeek is exceptional at coding and can generate fully functional code for games or apps. But here's the thing, AI doesn't replace humans, it replaces tasks. If you learn to use AI, you can work smarter, not harder. Alright, let's get practical. How can you use DeepSeek? First, installation. You can download and install DeepSeek directly from olama.com. The most advanced version, 671B, requires 404 gigabytes of storage. Next, running it. Install it on Windows PowerShell and execute the script. Since it runs locally, your data stays private. And finally, monetization. Use DeepSeek to automate tasks, create content, or even build SaaS businesses. For example, you can create a system that tracks employee attendance and sends reminders automatically. The possibilities are endless. So, what's the bottom line? DeepSeek is a game changer in the AI world. It's faster, more accurate, and open source, making it accessible to everyone. Whether you're a creator, programmer, or business owner, DeepSeek can help you automate tasks and boost productivity. If you're new to AI, don't worry. You don't need to be a programmer to use it. The models are already built. All you need to do is leverage them. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And we'll see you in the next video.